Hello everybody, we're gonna talk today about how to connect an LED like this one to a 9-volt battery. So how to connect an LED to a 9-volt battery. In order to be able to do this one, we have to know some stuff. Alright, it's physics related, so if you wanna skip this one, go watch the dogs and cats and whatever. Okie dokie. But in the meanwhile, let's take it step by steps. The LED, light emitting diode. This one was invented in 1962 by this guy, Nick Holonyak. And it's not that old, as a technology. For this diode to be able to emit light, the process is called electroluminescence. Alright, so it's a diode nonetheless. But is a current driven electrical circuit or electrical apparatus, whatever you want to call it. In able to do this stuff, you have to check this one here or stay till the end of the video and see what a resistor is and how we can use it and so on. Basically, if you want to make an indicator, an LED indicator for your projects, you see that tiny light that's always on, green, red, whatever, that's an LED indicator. We can connect this stuff, this tiny little guy here, to any voltage, even AC, DC, or whatever, as long as we know some physics. In order to be able to do this one, we have to know the Ohm's law. This is adjusted for give us the resistance. So the resistance of the LED is gonna be volts over amps. Not entirely. This is the Ohm's law. If you wanna know the current in a circuit, what you needed, you have to find I. Do computation and you're gonna find it. If you wanna see volts, the same stuff. You wanna find ohms, that's it. But in the project of today, because we're gonna talk about this stuff, this LED, to connect it as a 9 volts battery. Alright. To be able to connect this one as a 9-volt battery, we have to know our voltage of the power supply, Vs, voltage of the source, minus V and F. Basically, any LED has a voltage forward, a forward voltage. Yeah. So you have to know this one. Basically, this one means is the steady voltage that this LED can operate safely without damaging it. This one in particular, and any tiny stuff LEDs like this, operates normally between 2.5 and 3 volts. So we're gonna take it as 2. In our circuit of today, connecting this LED to this 9-volt battery, we're gonna do this one. So voltage of the source minus voltage, the forward voltage over LED, this one here, over the current. Normally this type of LED needs 2, 3, 4, depending on color, milliamps. And that's gonna give us the resistor needed to put it in series with the LED to be able to light. Alright, so this is the formula. But more simple stuff for you guys, if you don't want to learn this physics stuff, just see here. You have an app, it's called diode, whatever. So if you want to download that, put it on your phone and it's got loads of stuff. Amps, Ohm's law, pins out, pins in. I do have here a video all about that app. Alright, but it's better for you to know this formula as well. You never know when you're gonna come across to it. Okay, so in a practical thing, we're gonna put our stuff. But notice, if you're gonna connect this LED straight away to the 9-volt battery, boom, it's gonna go off. We don't want that. Okay, so we're gonna put the values. We know that first we have the 9 volts, which is our power supply, minus the forward voltage of this LED, I told is 2, over, we do want to be powered this LED with 2 milliamps. So it's going to be like 0.002 something. Alright, so 9 minus 2 is going to be 7 over 0.002. Now you can do the calculation and you're going to end up with 3500 ohms, or more precise 3.5 kilo ohms. So we're gonna need a resistor value of 3.5. Let's dive in and maybe I'm gonna find one to show you exactly. Alright friends, so we are back. We did manage to find this 3.3 kilo ohm resistor. We didn't find a 3.5, but it's fine, it's just a couple of milliamps, so this LED can take it. So we're gonna connect the resistor, is 3.3, here you go, to the plus terminal, which in any LED you're gonna see inside is got a small pin and a bigger pin inside it, yeah? The small is the positive and the bigger one is the negative. So we're gonna connect the resistor to the positive side of the LED bulb, which is 3.3, just like so. Go, and let's see if this one is gonna light. There you go, it's lighting. Here you go friends. It's lighting. So our formula of today is working. It's gonna work in general. If you do want to know how to connect an LED to any power source, any DC power source, you have to apply that formula that I showed previously, or watch my other video, and you're gonna be able to make an LED indicator for all your projects. Alright, stay till the end of the video. You're gonna see from now on choices and stuff that to choose and learn, and tell me what you think, if the graphics is alright or we need something to improve. Till the meanwhile, stay safe, stay creative, and see you on the next one. Yeah, lights on, baby. Woohoo!